So we got some information coming in here from 9 to 5 Google. So this is obviously about the Pixel Fold, and it's as following. The Pixel Fold might be called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's also going to most likely come out in the fall with the Pixel 9 series. Now, the Pixel 9 series, if this is a part of it, would have 4 iterations of their phone. They would have the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is a really long title to give the Pixel Fold name, especially because I think everyone right now, and has been since the very beginning, has been calling it the Pixel Fold 2. So it would most likely just again drop that name completely and be called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'm not going to get used to that, and I guess we would just sum it up as the Pro Fold, or okay, that sounds weird. The 9 Pro Fold, I guess that Google 9 Pro Fold. That's what I think it would really come down to. Now, obviously, we have to wait and see what ends up happening, but this does interest me a lot. The fact that this will be coming out in the fall lineup. Meaning, Samsung, as we already know, is releasing the Z Fold 6. I think it's a week earlier, I believe, in July than they did last year. So they're going to get this phone out and ready for everyone. And we're going to see a good amount of time before we see the Pixel, the 9 Pixel, okay, I'm going to butcher this every single time now. The 9 Pro Fold. Okay, I'm calling it the Pixel Fold 2 until this is confirmed, okay? We're going to see some time before we see this phone come out, which is the opposite of what we saw last year. We saw the Pixel Fold come out first, then the Z Fold 6, and then following that up, we saw the OnePlus Open. So it looks like Samsung this time is going to get themselves, kind of in the door with their either crazy iteration of the Z Fold 6, where there's an Ultra variant, or a Fan Edition variant, before we see it comes out with this. Before Google comes out with their 9 Pro Fold. Now, here's another thing, right? There's also been rumors that Samsung is going to release the Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 in July, but they're not releasing the Pro, Ultra, Fan Edition variant until around Christmas. So if that's the case, and they're not going to release it till around Christmas, well, now that also sparks up more talk and interesting conversations and theories, because if they're releasing that around Christmas, and this phone's coming out in the fall, well, that means that the Z Fold 6 is going to come out, and that's going to be powerful, but this phone is rumored to have the Tensor G4 chip, and also 16 gigabytes of RAM built in. So this is going to be more powerful than the Z Fold 6 on paper. We'll have to wait and see how this ends up turning out. But if that's the case, then Samsung, in theory, could be kind of waiting till this gets released and is talked about how powerful it is, and then they come out with an Ultra variant in December or November or October, and that ends up stealing the show right away, right before the Christmas holiday. Because obviously, the holidays, most important time of the year for all of these companies. Google, Samsung, OnePlus, etc. That's the most important time of the year. So they might be trying to kind of pull a maneuver here of, okay, we'll let you release your Mac Daddy Google Pixel Fold 2, and then once you release that and all the hype is up, we're going to drop hints and stuff about our Ultra variant coming out in October, and people are going to wait off and not buy your phone because they're going to be waiting for the Ultra variant. And as long as they keep it tight-lipped and they don't show us the price tag or put out any information that would get people to be like, oh, I'm not interested because of how expensive it is, they could work out a way to actually make this interesting. So we'll have to wait and see what ends up happening. I am interested, though, in this whole situation because, man, Samsung, the ball's in your court. And last time I said that to a company, it was Microsoft, and they fumbled the bag worse than anyone else I've ever seen. Peace out, guys.